Welcome to Geek DIY. In this video we will show you how to install Thonny, a simple free editor for Python, geared for people just starting out at learning to program. First you will want to open a web browser, and go to thonny.org. Once you are at the Thonny website you will see a page like the one shown on screen. Under the dedication honoring Ukraine, there is a small box captioned Download, and provides links for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux versions of the Thonny Python editor. Right-click the Windows link and choose Save As and save the file to your computer's desktop. Even though Thonny is a Python editor for novice Python programmers, it does have a number of features that you will eventually find useful as you get more practice coding. Some features include a variable analyzer that allows you to see the values of all of the variables in your program. You can also execute your code in steps without having to place breakpoints to analyze the execution of your program. There is a package installation tool that will allow you to add more Python libraries easily. That is just a few of the features available in Thonny. As you use the software, look around the interface and check out the various features to see what they do. Now that Thonny has finished downloading, we can run the installer to Thonny up on your computer. The setup program is going to ask you if you would like to install Thonny for just your user on the computer, or if you would like to install Thonny for all of the users on the computer. Either option is fine, but if you are the only person that will use Thonny, installing it to only your user account on the computer would be a good choice. After selecting which users to install Thonny for, you will click the Next button and accept the Terms of Use agreement. Once you have done this, a screen will ask you the directory you would like to install Thonny to. The default directory contained in the edit box is usually good enough. But if you would like to change where Thonny is installed, you will need to click the Browse button and select the location you would like to install Thonny. After you have set the install directory, you will want to click the Next button to start the installation process. This can take some time to finish, so please be patient while it copies all of the files to your computer.
Now that Thonny is installed to your computer, you can click the Close button on the installer window to close it. To run Thonny, go to your computer's desktop and double-click the Thonny shortcut that was added during the installation process. It may take a moment to open depending on the speed of your computer. As is customary when learning a new programming language or when testing a programming language's installation, I'm going to create a Hello World program which will print the message Hello World in the terminal at the bottom. To follow along, you will want to type the word print, followed by an opening round bracket, and then in double quotes the words Hello World, and end it with a closing round bracket. Once we have the code written out, we will want to go to the Run menu item on the menu bar to execute our code. After choosing to run the code, Thonny will prompt you to save the code as a file. Save this test code wherever you would like and click the OK button. After doing that, you should see the Hello World message in the terminal at the bottom of Thonny's window. If you instead got an error message, double check your code and make sure it matches what you see on screen in video and try running the code again. That's all there is to it. Thonny is now installed and is working properly, so you can continue to practice your Python programming now, so you can become a master programmer in no time. We will be adding more tutorials soon covering the process of learning Python by learning the basics and core concepts of the language by writing computer games using libraries such as Pygame 0, KaiV, and a few others. If you found this video, click the like button and subscribe so you can watch our videos as they are added.